about, where I'm not a ghost, where I'm not crawling through my past, just trying